Alright, YouTubers, the day has finally come. Welcome to Jim's Garage Toys. I've been meaning to do this for quite some time. I just kept forgetting to order them. So finally going to change out these yellow type bulbs to some white LEDs. What you need is some interior trim tools. I've got a few different kind here. So, and usually it's just a matter of getting it in, working it in aside, and there we go. There we go. See, just like that. And there is our bulb. So we'll go ahead and change that out. Let me grab the new ones I bought for it, and we'll swap these two out to start. So here's what I bought. Auxitos. I've used these before and they are really good quality bulbs. So got a 194 there, which is what most of these little ones are in most cars. So, and I'll pull one out and I'll show you. One nice thing that came with the little kit though, if you don't have a trim tool set, look at that. And that's exactly the type that I use, a little flat wedge. So I'll just stick that with my other tools so I just have more. So let me open this up and we'll pop one in and see what the difference is. So whenever handling bulbs, I like to make sure I have a glove on just so no oils get on it and damage it. But here you can see a whole bunch of LEDs there, and a whole bunch around the side too. It's like, holy cow, these things are gonna have some serious light to them. So, but one of the best qualities about these two, quality-wise, is look at the little spade, the connectors. They're solid state connectors. A lot of bulbs I've looked at, and if you look online and look at them, there's just a tiny little wire that comes out of there. And those can easily break and bend and don't get the connection. But this is excellent. So very, very good quality. So take a peek at these. I'll leave a link for what I used down below. So let's pop it in. Okay, usually these are simple, just pull straight out. There we go. So here was the incandescent bulb, and you can even see these. See, now these have 2 wires each, which is nice, but I've seen a lot of them with just a single wire. Just total crap. So then we'll just push this in. Now most LEDs have a polarity to them, so if it doesn't work one way, then flip it around. So there it is. Let's see if we got it the right way. Yeah, see? So here, it's not working this way. So let's go ahead and pull it out. We'll spin it 180 degrees. There we go. Woo! Okay. Now, I don't know how good the camera's gonna pick up on that, but the difference between white and yellow on these two is huge. Let's go ahead and pop this on so we can stick the little tab. There's a little tab right there. Stick that in first and then snap the 2 hinge pieces on. There we go. Now, look at the difference. Wow, night and day. Huge, huge difference. I'll go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. All right, here's the one above the passenger visor, the Vanity Light there. So this one takes a different type of bulb. There she is. So, down here. So, takes a little festoon bulb. So, and the replacement for that is this little guy. So with this, you want to make sure the LEDs are down because that's a heat sink to dissipate the heat. That's a lot of LEDs. So for such a little bulb, it's going to light up that. So, okay. Well, I need 2 hands to do this though, so I'll show it to you once I'm... All right. So now, it's nice and white. Sweet. So now, I move to the overhead, the big one. Okay. So, we're on to this one. Let me see if I can, oh, look at that. First place I pushed. Get the other side to pop off. There we go. Okay. All right. This one is another one of those little festoon bulbs. So we'll pop that out and pop another one in there. So, I just got to point this out. I was popping that bulb out. You can see it's missing. And I didn't catch it, and it dropped and bounced off, and look where it landed. Right in the cubby hole. Oh, I need some more light. Let me help you out. It landed right in the little cubby hole there for the back seat. You could pay me $1 million and I couldn't do that again. To drop it and for it to land right there. I tried to catch it and it bounced off and popped right in. Hilarious. I should go buy a lottery ticket. So, just pop the cover back on. So now that's got nice white light. So all those are matching now. Brilliant. On to the hatch. Last but not least, the little bulb in the hatch. So you can see, so here's my hatch, it's just off to the side. But, now granted it's brighter here, but that looks pathetic. So, this one's not just a cover, it's a little light socket. So, just for anybody that wants to change this, on the right side toward the front of the outlet, that's where you need to push in. You actually, if you slide all the way in and push that, then it pops right out. So push from this side where my finger is, and it'll lift out like that. So, okay, looks like here we just gotta take this little cover apart, and then I can get to the bulb. So this is the little housing with the backing plate off. So then you just got to pop this off. So now I just got to snap this piece back on. Too hard to do with one hand. We'll be right back. Okay, so I just popped the back cover plate on. So now this just snaps in back first and then just click. Oh, that looks a million times better. So now that one is all in, so we're all done. So we replaced the one in the hatch, overhead, and then the 2 in the front. So 4 bulbs total in this car. No, 5, because I did the vanity bulb too. So, okay.